Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Ibotta how to upload receipt. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Uploading a receipt on Ibotta is simple. To do that, what you need to do is head over and then open up your Ibotta app, and once you are here, tap on the login option on the top left corner of the screen and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully log into your account. Now once logged in, what you need to do is select the store where you made your purchase, example like this, and then once you're inside there, find offers and then tap on the plus button to add them to your account before uploading your receipt. Then tap redeem at the bottom right here and then choose the store from your receipt. Take a clear photo of your entire receipt, then ensure all details are visible, and if the receipt is long, you can take multiple pictures. Now scan the barcodes of eligible items if prompted, then submit the receipt and wait for the cashback, which is usually done within 24 hours. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon in the next one.